From kookaburras to magpies. 30-year-old Chook is expanding his repertoire. He does a perfect hammer. His drill is a bit too good. His handsaw's sharp. His chainsaw's a ripper. And he's got a jackhammer off pat. While it blows some minds, zookeepers aren't surprised. Lyrebirds ape with astonishing accuracy.
He has the reversing beat that you get on trucks. He also has a grinding starter motor, generally anything.
But he doesn't like the spotlight.
You're just crazy.
But nothing to be alarmed at. Melody Horrell, 7 News.